Probably not the best day to walk along the seafront unless you really want to get wet. Giant waves could be seen in many coastal areas. People in Aberystwyth faced a wall of water. Fierce winds have also been wreaking havoc. This car a victim of the storm. The same tree barricaded one family in their house. A neighbour says they're counting their lucky stars.
Shaken up, especially looking at the state of the car, because literally minutes on, they would have been in that car.
Imogen has left its mark on this house too, and this bank in Somerset. The owner of this car might get a shock when they return. The car park has become an extension of the beach. The good news is winds are expected to ease overnight, allowing homeowners like this one to carry out important clear-up work. Danny Sinha, 5 News.